Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 4, 1979. Margaret Thatcher becomes Britain's first female prime minister. On May 4, 1979, Margaret Thatcher made history by becoming the first woman to serve as Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. Leading the Conservative Party, she won the general election and replaced Labour's James Callaghan. Known as the Iron Lady, Thatcher brought major economic changes to the country. Her leadership style was firm and sometimes controversial. She remained in power for over 11 years. Her rise to power broke political barriers for women in the UK. 1886. Haymarket Affair begins in Chicago. The Haymarket Affair started on May 4, 1886, in Chicago during a peaceful rally supporting workers striking for an 8-hour workday. As police tried to disperse the crowd, someone threw a bomb, killing several people, including police officers. Chaos broke out, and gunfire followed. The incident shocked the nation and led to the arrest and execution of several labor activists. It had a huge impact on the labor movement in America. Today, it's remembered around the world on International Workers' Day. 1970. Kent State shootings in Ohio, USA. On May 4, 1970, a peaceful student protest at Kent State University turned deadly when National Guard troops opened fire. Students were protesting the U.S. invasion of Cambodia during the Vietnam War. 4 students were killed and 9 others were wounded. The tragedy shocked the country and increased anti-war sentiment. It also sparked protests at other universities across America. A famous photo of a grieving girl kneeling beside a victim became a symbol of the era. 1959. First Grammy Awards ceremony held. The very first Grammy Awards ceremony took place on May 4, 1959, in Los Angeles and New York simultaneously. The Grammys were created to honor outstanding achievements in the music industry. Artists like Frank Sinatra and Ella Fitzgerald were among the early winners. There were only 28 awards that year, compared to over 80 today. The event quickly became one of music's biggest nights. Today, the Grammy Awards are known worldwide as a symbol of musical excellence. 2000. Ken Livingstone elected first mayor of London. On May 4, 2000, Ken Livingstone became the first mayor of London after the creation of the position. He ran as an independent and won with strong public support. As mayor, he focused on improving transportation and the environment. One of his major achievements was introducing the congestion charge to reduce traffic in central London. His victory marked a new era of city governance. It gave Londoners a stronger voice in local decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.